lost in the echo of twilight's gleam. Whispers of stars as we drift to dream. Hush now, the night is a velvet song, guiding us gently where we belong. Dew on the meadow, moonlight's embrace. Softly we wander through time and space, sighing and tender with every breath, cradled in slumber, free from all death. In the quiet we find peace, endless lullabies release. Through the shadows love will keep, drawing us into the deep. Candles of hope in the sky so high, wishes on winds that will never die. Softly now close your tired eyes, bathe in the calm of timeless skies. Hearts like a feather float on the breeze, melodies woven in forests of trees. Serenity's whisper lingers near, fading away every fear. In the quiet we find peace, endless lullabies released. Through the shadows love will keep, drawing us into the deep. Whispering winds in the night, candles glow a gentle light. Softly now the world is still. Let our hearts entwine at will. Stars are painting skies so clear, echoes in the skies we hear. Silent wishes take their flight, cradling us in gentle night. this peaceful dream will stay. Moon's embrace so mild and bright, guiding us through soft twilight. Close your eyes, drift away. In this peaceful dream we'll stay. Moon's embrace so mild and proud, guiding us through soft twilight. Every breath a lullaby, melodies that never lie, timeless notes that softly play. Nighttime seemed in sway array. Veil of sleep wraps us tight, guiding dreams in quiet flight. Soft piano lull and strings in our dreams. The night bird sings. Close your eyes, drift away. In this peaceful dream we'll stay. Stars are winking from afar, whispers dance beneath the trees. Moonlight's hug is soft and warm, dreams float gently on the breeze. Close your eyes and drift away. Crickets sing a lullaby. Night unfolds its velvet cloak. Rest until the morning sky. Peaceful journey through the night, chasing fireflies in flight. Slumber's arms will hold you slow in this tranquil silent chill. Feel your worries gently go. Whispered moonlight through the blinds, stars above in gentle lines. Nighttime whispers soothe the mind. In this moment, dreams unwind. Float on clouds of silken air, peaceful nights without a care. Drift away to where you dare. In this dream world we shall share. Soft melodies in twilight's glow, crickets sing in tones so low. Waves of calm, they ebb and flow. Feel the world begin to slow. Shadows dance in muted hue. Moonlight whispers through the trees, stars are humming in the breeze. Close your eyes and drift away. Nighttime calls have come to play. Pillows soft like clouds above, wrapped in night's serene glove. Crickets sing a lullaby. Dreams ascend and mountains fly, floating softly in the blue. Heaven's here and hearts renew. Every blink a wish come true. Peaceful scenes that comfort you. Candles burn with gentle light. Shadows dance in pure delight. Velvet skies are draped in lace. Twinkling jewels in dark's embrace. Whispered sighs and breaths so slow. Rivers gleam in nighttime's glow. Stars align in perfect rows, guiding us where dreams will flow. frequencies harmonize with nightly breeze. Cuddle.
In twilight whisk dive beneath stars, night's tender whispers cradle scars, soft lullabies in shadows deep wrap us in the warmth of sleep. Dreamscapes painted in serene hue bathe us in the gentle dew. Wisps of calm through the quiet trees. Silent songs dance on the breeze. In the night we find our peace. Moments here will never cease. Under moon's soft, quiet gleam, float away on moonlit dream. Echoes of the day subside. In this silence, worlds collide. Lost in cosmic, tranquil flight. Cradled in the arms of night. Hush now, let the worries fade. In this realm where dreams are made, every heartbeat soothes the soul. In this space we're truly whole. Sailing through this starry sea, heaven's land unlocks the key to the dreams that softly glow. In the night they gently flow.
Whispers of the night, stars begin to dance. Dreams take gentle flight in a moonlit trance. Shadows softly fall, crickets sing their song. Midnight's tender call, where we all belong. Close your eyes so tight, let your worries go. In the hush of night, feel the calm. breeze that whispers low through the curtain lace. Gentle waters flow in this quiet place. Heart beats slow and sure underneath the skies. Peaceful and so pure, in the dark we rise. Close your eyes so tight, let your worries go. In the hush of night, feel the calmness grow. Moonlight whispers through the trees, shadows dancing in the breeze. Silent lullabies to please, counting stars till drift with ease. Gentle waves and oceans swell, secrets that the sea will tell. Candles flicker, cast a spell, wishing wells where dreams do dwell. Close your eyes, let worries fade. In the night serenade, cradle time in dreams we've made, till the dawn will gently wait. Stars arise, let worries fade. In the night serenade, cradle time in dreams we've made, till the dawn will gently wait. Stars align to guide us through every thought so pure and true. Embers warm the night our muse, velvet skies in opal hues. Whispers of the evening's hymn, softly sings the worlds within. Slumber deep or light and thin, bound by threads that softly spin. Close your eyes, let worries fade. In the night serenade, cradle time in dreams we've made, till the dawn will gently wait. Soft whispers in the moonlight, stars paint dreams in the sky. Close your eyes, let thoughts take flight. Drift where sweet breezes lie. Gentle waves kiss the shoreline. Calm your heart, settle down. In this
gentle light will stay, guiding dreams till break of day. When the night is calling you, let the calling see through. In the stillness, find your peace. It's a world where dreams will creep. Whispered winds among the stars, sleepless nights and open scars. Moonlight bathes the quiet street. In our hearts the echoes meet. Shadows dance with silver beams. In the depths of fragile dreams, windows to the midnight sky. In your arms I find the why. Drift away into the night. With your breath the world feels right. Gentle whispers calm the sea. In this moment you are free. Fireflies that light the way. In the hush of twilight gray, silent wishes float on air. In your gaze there's no despair. Weightless in the still embrace, time dissolved without a trace. Stars align in perfect rhyme, lost forever in this time. Drift away into the night. With your breath the world feels right.
Whispers soft and slow. In the quiet night we glow. Stars are painting skies above, wrapped in dreams and feathered love. Gentle breezes kiss the leaves, whispering stories night believes. Lullabies in shadows play, guiding you till break of day. Close your eyes, let go the fight. Embrace the warmth of tender night. In the silence find your peace, till the morning's light release. Dewdrops glisten on the grass. Time moves slow, no moments pass. Cradle piano notes embrace strings of calm and perfect grace. Ambient echoes fill the air, peaceful moments unaware. Close your eyes, let go the fire. Embrace the warmth of tender night. In the silence find your peace, till the morning's light release.
In the whispers of the night, stars are glowing soft and white. Silent dreams begin to rise under tender moonlit skies.
Waves are dancing on the shore, echoes of the days before. Gentle breezes touch my skin, drawing quiet thoughts within.
Fading slowly into dreams, where the night in silence gleams. Close your eyes and sail away to the realm where shadows play.
Glowing embers in the dark guide the heart like a faint spark. Mystic rivers gently flow to the land where dreams will grow. Softly humming lullabies underneath the velvet skies, cradled in the night so dear, everything's first crystal clear. Fading slowly into dreams, where the night in silence gleams. Close your eyes and sail away to the realm where shadows play.
Stars whisper secrets to the night. Moonlight dances pure and bright. Close your eyes and drift away. Dreams will guide you through the gray. Gentle waves upon the shore. Silent whispers evermore. Night will cradle you so tight till the dawn's first morning light. In the stillness find your peace. Let the worries gently cease. Float away on clouds so high, reaching for the endless sky. Twinkling lights in distant skies, carrying whispers long and wise. Breathe in deep and feel the glow.
Moonlight through my window glows, softly whispers where the night flows. Stars above and shadows blend. Time and space begin to mend. Pillows gather feather light, lost in thoughts of soft starlight. Blanket wrapped in dreamy haze, floating through these gentle days. Whispering dreams, take me high. Paint the night across the sky. In this calm, we drift away till the break of newborn day. Oceans hum a lullaby, mountains breathe a quiet sigh. Nature's song with velvet wings murmurs secrets softly sings. Candles flicker, shadows play, guide us on this starlit way. Tender notes of calm embrace. In this haven, find our place. Rest your weary mind and soul.